Make sure to wait till the end. All the flowers I savor out. Okay, guys, I better go back again. OMG. Looks like the lightning are mostly coming from that way. And all the Coopers. All the birds are starting to clear up. I see birds going that way. Light skies that way. I see birds going that way. I've gotten close. All of them mostly from that way. Both of them are coming from that way. Enough for hours. Oh. Wait, they might be coming from that way. I should be stepping over here. Step over here. Oh, wow. Whoa!